Let's take a look at this example. Again, we have the system of linear of two equations, and we're supposed to solve this system by using the method of substitution. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy down the first equation and solve this equation for y. Why I'm going to choose the first equation? Because y has coefficient -1. So this equation is kind of simple for starting this problem. So I'm going to copy down 2x minus y is equal -15. Now I'm going to move 2x to the right side. And I have -y equals -15 -2x. Please notice that every single term of this equation is negative. We prefer to deal with positive values. So what we can do over here, we can multiply both sides of this equation by -1. Negative y times -1 gives me y equals -15 times -1 is 15. -2x times -1 is positive 2x. So this is my y. Again, this is not my final answer for y. This expression is going to help me to find x. Because I used the first equation to find y, I'm supposed to use the second equation to find x. Copy down the second equation. We have 3x plus 4y is equal -6. Now we're supposed to substitute this y by 15 plus 2x. So we have 3x plus 4, and inside of the parentheses I'm going to have 15 plus 2x equals -6. We have to eliminate parentheses by distributing 4 into the parentheses. We have to multiply 4 by every single term inside of the parentheses, and we're going to have 3x. 4 times 15 gives me 60. 4 times 2x gives me 8x equals -6. Next, we're supposed to combine the like terms. I'm going to move this 60 to the right side, and we're going to have 3x plus 8x gives me 11x equals, I have -6, and if I'm going to move this 60 to the right side, I'm going to have -60. So -60 and -6 is going to give me -66. In order to find value of x, I have to divide both sides equation by 11. 11 and 11 will cancel out, and I have -66 divided by 11 gives me -6. So I can write that x is equal -6. Now we can find value of y. I'm going to use this equation because this equation is already solved for y. I'm going to copy this equation down, and I have y equals 15 plus 2x. X I have to substitute by -6. I have y equals 15 plus 2 times -6. Y equals 15. 2 times -6 is equal -12. Y is equal 15 minus 12 is equal 3. I got the values of x and y. Next, I'm supposed to verify if they are correct. You have to substitute x and y by these two values for both equations. So let me copy down the first one. I have 2x minus y is equal -15, where we have 2 times x, which is equal -6, minus y, which is equal 3, equals -15. 2 times -6 is equal -12, minus 3 is equal -15. -12 minus 3 is equal -15 equals -15. As you can see, the left side is equal to the right side. So first equation checks, we can say, right? It proves that my answers are correct, but in order to be 100% sure that we are correct, we're supposed to also verify the second equation. So we have 3x plus 4y equals -6. 3 times x, and x is -6, plus 4 times y, which is equal 3, has to be equal -6. 3 times -6 is -18. 4 times 3 is equal 12, equals -6. -18 plus 12 is equal -6, equals -6. So you can see the second equation, right, has also value of the left side equal to the value of the right side. So at this moment we can say that the ordered pair x equals -6 and y equals 3 is the solution to this system of linear equations.